So here I have the POYEE plastic fencing. So first off, I'd like to thank the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is the 4-foot height right here. I believe I got the 65 feet in length here. So this is really nice like mesh plastic net here. It is super durable. You can see close up here. It's really nicely woven there, and then it can stretch out. So here is what it looks like, kind of stretched out here. I have these like little posts here that really work well with this, so you can attach your netting to it like that. Great for keeping dogs or other animals, chickens, birds, whatever, out of certain areas. So I have a raised bed here, so I'm going to be enclosing this area off with this netting so my dogs don't walk around in there. So you can see it is nice and high as well. You can use it to cover stuff as well, so you can put it on top of a raised bed or cover up trees to prevent birds from picking at fruit or whatever. So all kinds of really cool uses for it. And then when you're done with it, you can easily roll it up and put it away. So then it looks just like this. So super cool netting. If you are in need of something like this to protect your yard, garden, all types of cool uses, then definitely check this out.